Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make your own customized YouTube URL of your channel for promoting it. There are few things which you have to complete. So like, you have to first complete your 100 YouTube subscribers, and then you have to upload your own image on your channel icon and display image of your YouTube channel. So if you complete these things, so open your YouTube account and click on this top right corner of your image, and then click on settings. Now click on advanced settings, and now here it will show me custom URL. If you are eligible, it will defaultly show this, that you are eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. So I have to click it here, and though now it is saying get a custom URL, here's how you will look on it. For now example, say like my YouTube channel name is Gaming Mania, so youtube.com Gaming Mania. So I have to add such a few characters so that it will understand. It has shown me an example, so I will say here. Or you can also give your So I have read and agreed to the custom URL. So you have to read these terms of use first, and then click here, and then you have to click on change URL. So confirm. Once you do this, you can't edit this URL, so you have to decide whatever URL or channel name you have to give this. So I will simply say now confirm my choice. So friends, as you can see here, you have to create your own channel icon as a display image and your own image for this channel. These are 3 to 4 things which you have to do it to get qualified for changing your YouTube custom URL. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.